Hello friends, in this video we will going to show you how to make API of our existing application. So we have three functionalities. One is a inserting log, second is a selecting log and third is a updating log. So I am creating three APIs. We need to import Flask framework of Python. Flask is used for build the API. So importing Flask and database adapter. We will use milk delivery class from milk delivery file and database adapter class from database adapter file. So importing both files and classes. Here is the first API, that is insert data. Method post. So we will accept post request and creating the function milk. For this method, we will going to insert. We need two parameters, delivery date and volume. So accepting those two parameters from JSON. Now doing the same thing as I did in previous video. What will I do is create milk delivery object, call insert logs function and pass object to that function. And in this API, when we complete the operation, we need to pass the response back. So here I am passing success is response back. Same for the get data API. In this API we don't have any parameters. So we are not accepting any parameters. You just call it. We'll call the function whatever result. Means the records at which are returned by the API, we will simply pass them back to the client. So I am passing result typecasting. It has a string because we always need to pass string. Here is the update data API. For this method, we need three parameters, delivery date, volume and ID. So accepting those three parameters from JSON, create milk delivery object and call update log function. That's it. Let's run the code. Let's call API in Postman REST client. Here we can specify request parameters in body part. Success. That means it has inserted records in the database. Now let's get the list. See, now it is returning the list of all delivery dates. Let's call update API. Here we can specify request parameters in body part. Success. That means it has updated records in the database. Let's check updated records in SQLite database. Here is the updated record. Thanks for watching. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.